Hi, this is Dan Collins, Editor-in-Chief of Modern Trader magazine. As part of Futures magazine for 43 years, is now Modern Trader. Coming to you live for Traders Exclusive from the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade. Wanted to talk about crude oil again because we mentioned last time, and we've done technical work on futuresmag.com for a long time, talking about how the huge sell-off in crude had touched on a 17-year trend line and kind of bounced off of that. In January, they breached that trend line, but rallied $3 in the last hour of the last day of January to settle above that. February and March tested that trend line again at the end of the month, and then crude oil rallied up and ran into resistance at its 200-month moving average. Interesting thing about the sell-off, it breached that level that's now sitting at about 48.50, which is this huge 17-year trend line on a monthly close basis. Crude's rallied the last couple of days and sitting at about $49 right now, 50 cents above that. Today and tomorrow will be a huge technical battle. If that support is taken out on a monthly close, it could mean further losses down to the $33 low from 2009. Kind of an interesting point because every month end we've had this kind of battle on the top end of the range of 200 moving average. But the first 3 months of the year, they tested this level, it came back down. It's sitting there right now. Tomorrow is the last day of July, so look for some interesting activity in crude oil. And just kind of further on that, it tells you how interesting the technicals are these days. If you look at the S&Ps, they made their highs in June. We've been volatile, and they've failed to make a new high. So people are getting a little bit worried. I think you'd expect, at some point they're going to have to push and make a new high, or there's going to be a sell-off that may be more major. You can see the August issue of Futures magazine where we're a Modern Trader magazine, correct myself again, where we contemplate 10 reasons why there may be a larger downward move in equities. This has been Dan Collins for Traders Exclusive. See you next time.